Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box. This is for the month of February 2022. And if you like what I got in my box, let's check it out. So as you can see, I kind of already opened the seal. This is what it looks like. And it has a little plastic there. And it always comes with a little card that says, "Be my glam and time." There you go. And in the back, it has all the pricing along with all the little descriptions on the back. All right, let's see. So the first one is, this is from Ellup, and this is $28. And it says this is 4-in-1 makeup brush. Open this up. Oops. Trying to be very careful with it. Here you go. So this is what it looks like. And let's see. Oh, this is the little sponge. And this is the, oh, it's very nice and soft. Little brush. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna twist it up. And that's the little small brush right there. You can see. And on the other side, the other brush for your eyebrows. Not for your eyebrows, for your eyeshadow. That's not bad. I like these for traveling, you know. Okay. And our next one, let's see. And this is the OPB Beauty Loose Setting Powder. And my shade is on medium. Let's open it up. So this is the packaging right there. Very pretty. There's a shade right there. And it is sealed. There's a little plastic there. So I could definitely use it. I don't have enough setting powders. So it'll be nice to try it, see how it looks on my skin. Okay. Oh, and this is $22. Our next one is the Luna Liner. And from Seraphine Botanicals, and it's $18. Water resistant liquid eyeliner. It's vegan, water resistant. All right, so let's see what it looks like. All right, here you go. And it's obviously in the shade black. So there you go. There's a packaging right there. Okay, and then the next one is from Jensas. It's a Tone Up Primer Essential Glow, and it retails for $35. And I never actually owned a Jensas product before, so looks very pretty. So let's see what it looks like on. All right, so here's the packaging right there. Very pretty. And it's Essential Glow 8 Super Blocks Essence Tone Up Primer. Never own it, but very pretty. Hoping to use it and see how it looks. All right, and last but not least, it's one of my favorite products. I do own several things, and it's from Ace Beauty. There it goes. And now this is the palette that I chose. Okay. So let's see how that looks. And this retails for $40, a new launch. It's a new launch palette. Now it does have a mirror on it, so I'm just gonna. So this is what it looks like. Oh, look at that. I love those little shades. I like the little those little warm tones, you know, for my skin. I'm sure that would work. So let's see what they say. Okay, it's a Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. And it's all you need to glow. It shades buildable and easily glide on the skin, giving a seamless glow look. And it retails, like I said, $40. New launch. Okay, guys, for a recap, I got my palette here, face palette. I got my Jensas, my loose setting powder, our 4-in-1 brush, and my Luna liner. All right, that's all I have for today. Make sure you comment down below what you got on your box, and it will help me out if you hit the like button and comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. You guys have a good night.